Quad Committee, imbestigahan nyo si Speaker. Di ba? Pwede.
No, stop uttering. Stop words uttering, my God. You supported the drugs of war. I tell you, that's why I contemn you. I cannot investigate someone I receive. When I Google, there's no jurisdiction. As the matter of fact, I tell you, you're just a lawyer. Pahabain lang yan ang mga kaso ninyo, Mr. Chair. Ay, sinasabi ko sa inyo. At tatanggapin lang yan ang pera nyo at pahabain ang mga kaso nyo in the time short period